go, baby. That's right. Of course, Dee just got I don't know, this car, they're not vibing it. They're not vibing it at all. You got somebody about that film, though, they vibing it.
Yeah. All right. Son of a Gustin style, you get me? Yeah. New whip outside is different. Ask me where to cop it, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where to cop it, I'll admit it. Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it?
What's going on, everybody? Your boy Gottem POV here. Right now I'm in Kentucky, heading to a Fast Lane D new bike reveal meetup. I was in Louisville. I'm about an hour away. The event starts at 2 o'clock, so I got some time. But this is my Airbnb where we at. I got it washed up, cleaned up. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see me doing that wash and that cleanup to get her ready for this event. My boy Fast Lane D is in town. He's having that, like I say, new bike reveal. I already contacted him and told him I was going to be there. You know, support him. He came down to Florida and did some rides with us, so I told him I'd be there and support him on this as well. So let's get that cold start going. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and film some of that ride to the event, and but I'm not gonna bore you with the long ride, but if I capture something exciting, then I'm gonna post it, obviously. But once we get to the event, there's gonna be some more footage, so I'm just gonna pause the video for right now. Alright, this is the first time that I ever brought her out of the state of my hometown state. So getting on these roads, these twisties, these hills, I know she's going to enjoy it just as much as I do. As I mentioned before, we head into a Fast Lane D new bike reveal event. We're about an hour away, and I'm going to try and get there a little early. Man, it's much cooler here than it is in my home state, I tell you that. I know I'm gonna catch a lot of bugs. Dang. And I just cleaned her out too. These houses, man, all this land. Beautiful. Never been to Kentucky, let alone on my ZX10RR. off a pile of rocks. Woo, I don't want no rock falling on me. You'll be running over a pile of rocks. Hope no rock come down now.
Go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. Early bird, go get the worm in the dirt. I could show you what I'm worth. My hands in the dirt. From where they look when you not. A hand in your purse. Hell if you think I'm last, last should be first. Go ahead and go feast your eyes. Chefing up, cooking them pies, leaving no slice. Believe on a guy who in demand and who got supplies. You on the land, me I'm fly. Look at the mile.
Yeah, so we'll probably do raffle style. We're giving away a bunch of stuff to you guys and just hanging out. We should be able to go for a ride afterwards. So yeah, stick around if you want to do that. But yeah, that's it, guys. I appreciate y'all coming for real. Thank you. Cleaner? Couple cleaners. We got. Oh yeah, you definitely. I need one of these too. Dry brush to clean your chain because some of y'all's chains up there. I was looking. I'm just kidding. Don't look at mine. So I can't say. Don't look at the duck. And then bike wash. All right, and then I also have some merch I'm gonna give away as well. So. All right, here we go. Let's get this started. Woo! Victor T. Oh, wow. Perfect. There you go.
Hey, that's, I don't know about that one. He's right there.
I got lots of green shirts, so my Cali people, you're gonna love this. Let's do another one. Gil?
That's me.
Sure. Hey, there we go, Gil. What color you want? Blue?
Black and red.
Black and red?
You know Suzuki color.
Blue? What color? What size are you?
Small.
Small. What's that?
Medium.
Medium. We got white large. Definitely. 2 for 2. You're at the national meet. We're like, oh, for like 12. All right, let's see. What else we got? Let me mix these around a little bit more. Woo. Ashley Smith. Hey, Ashley Smith. There we go. What color you want, Ashley? What size is it? White. Small. I don't even think we made any small. You fit medium?
Anything you want to say?
Sure.
Watch it in high water.
Yeah. Ozil? OSI? Hey, how do you say it? OCL. Hey, congrats, man. What color you want here, man? You want, oh, there we go. You want the bright green or like the Cali green? There we go. Yeah, appreciate you coming out, man. Thank you, bro. Tristan, Benji. Hey, here we go. What color you want, Tristan? Green, blue, red. Billy. Yeah. Boy, sit around. Yeah. All right. Okay. We got Nathan Turner. Hey. Tyler Madison. Sam Strawbridge. Hey, here we go, Sam.
There we go. All right, so now we're getting ready to go on a group ride. with Fastlane D from Cycle Gear. He just revealed his new bike. Yep, there it is. Taking it with Kudos right there. Yep. Man, this is sweet. Look at all that carbon fiber, man. Even the rims, man. Damn, this is sweet. This is my next bike also. Yeah, he still got the stock exhaust on it, but he's gonna be changing that out. So. Man, the camera is not doing it justice. The camera is not doing it justice. Wish you guys can see this in person. As you can see, everybody's getting ready to go. Quite a few of us. There was a lot of people out here earlier, but they all left. But it's just gonna be us on the front. You heard that dry clutch on the Ducati there? CBRs. CX-10. Yes sir, yes sir. M4 exhaust. The Kentucky boys. And the Duke. The Officer. There you go. There you go. And of course, we got my baby down in POV here. Let's go check out some of the other ones over here. I didn't strap up. That's not good. Look at the color scheme. Yes, sir. 4. All white. My brother used to own one like this, all white. Then you got another Jixer here, 1000. Alright, we're getting ready to go out. Pause the video for right now. And then I'll resume once we get home.
Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.